Doing good. This is Sayed Shari. Okay. To the session, I will cover Veeam replication and backup. Why do we require Veeam replication and backup? Why? What is the purpose? First, I will talk about what is the benefit of Veeam replication and backup. Then I will explain you how to install Veeam solution in enterprises. How do we connect a Veeam backup solution, how to configure Veeam solution. These all the steps I will cover. So first thing we need to know about why do we require Veeam solution. Veeam solution is like your backup point. Suppose if there is anything happen in your infrastructure like disaster, there is any kind of disaster thing happen in your organization, your infrastructure, if Veeam is able to make a disaster recovery, you can say Veeam is a backup solution for disaster recovery, and Veeam is able to schedule a backup. Veeam is able to schedule a backup and daily backup solution, every week backup solution. According to you, Veeam is able to make a virtual backup, physical server backup, and cloud backup. So, guys, hope you have understand the benefits of Veeam. So now I will try to explain you how to install Veeam backup and replication. First thing we need to download ISO image for Veeam. Once ISO image is downloaded, we will looking to how to install Veeam. We will check. Once we have downloaded Veeam solution, we can go for setup file. Like below, you can check over here. There is a setup file. Okay, you just need to click over there. Once you will click, there will be option. There will be option install Veeam backup and replication. So I'm using Veeam, the version of Veeam 11a, Veeam backup and replication version 11. So I need to click on install. Once you will press, once we will press click to install, there will be option like community edition. So we are using free edition. Just need to click next, and there will be installation feature. What kind of feature we are looking for this backup? So we are looking for backup and replication. Backup and replication means to say backup and replication is able to schedule a backup, a complete virtual machine backup, complete infrastructure backup like on-premises, cloud, and virtualization. This kind of backup you Veeam is able to through the Veeam, by the help of Veeam you can take a backup like so. So it's dependent on how do you configure your Veeam. So once your feature is selected, you just click to next. The port, the as you are aware about the catalog port is 9393 for C, and service port is 9392. So this, as you can check over here, once we are installing Veeam, we need SQL Server. SQL Server is a database. So once you have a pre-feature is installed, just click to next, and the installation Veeam backup and application will be start. So no, currently I am not having SQL Server. So if we are not having SQL Server, Veeam is able to install all the feature which they required for start the process. So here, as you can check, Microsoft SQL Server 2016 Service Package Express Edition. This is installing. So once Veeam application back installation is completed, you can check over installation succeed. So you just need to click finish. Once finish done, there will be, you just need to start your Veeam solution. As you can check over here in the top, Veeam Backup and Replication Community Edition. We are having Community Edition. So now I will explain to you how to add virtual bare metal EXI server. EXI, as you're aware about the EXI server, the hypervisor. So here I will first thing I need to explain you how to add EXI server to R to current install Veeam and Veeam backup and application. So you just need to click on server. There will be option virtual infrastructure. So I'm using virtualization hypervisor, so I need to go with virtual infrastructure. You just need to click, once you will click on virtual infrastructure, you need to click on add server. Once you have done this, there will be option vsphere v cloud director. So we are having vsphere server hypervisor, just need to click over there, and here after that you need to type your identification, DNS, or your IP address means to internet protocol address, which is unique for every hyper EXI server. So I have mentioned here my vsphere 7 server and mentioned here the IP address, which is connected to my own premises EXI server. This is a static IP which I have used to install vSphere, and I am using here my EXI server IP. Once I have mentioned my IP address, my EXI IP address, you just need to click, and it will be verify username and password. Without verification, it couldn't be added. You need to, if you are having EXI server username and password, then you can be proceed further. So here, as you can check over here, a username I have mentioned, a password I have mentioned, just click to OK. Once you will click OK, the trust, the certificate installation going on. So here it will be, once you are connecting any server, any new server to Veeam backup and replication, they will generate a certificate to them for communication between a Veeam solution and your hypervisor. So just you once trust verification just completed, you just need to continue and apply setting. Once you have applied setting, you can check over here. You just need to it will be process. The once you have applied the setting, this process will be applied starting, as you can check over here, starting infrastructure after items process, it's doing their process. So they are creating a database record, they are creating disk record into volume format in volume. Once all the process is done, you just need to click to finish, and you can check the status of your vSphere which you have added in Veeam backup and application. So as you can check over here, I have, in this is my infrastructure, I have added my vSphere 7 to my Veeam backup and application, which I these are virtual machine which is running on my vSphere. It's now connected to my Veeam backup and application. So guys, this is the easy steps to install a Veeam enterprise, and how to connect how to connect vSphere to Veeam. This is the simple steps to add to attach. You can say about to add or attach vSphere to Veeam backup application. So guys, as you can check over the status over, I am having three vSphere services. which I have added over here. Virtual infrastructure. I am having here three vSphere services, which is currently in my current infrastructure, which is running. So guys, and if you want to backup infrastructure, repository and backup infrastructure, you need to do external taking backup another server, not the same server. So guys, next session I will cover this all repository. How can we how to add repositories, and how to configure live backup solution, how to schedule backup. So guys, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is a IT blogger Bihari, and as you are aware about my blog channel name is querypanel.com. Guys, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.